Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a collaboration between me and Jhen Artistry here on YouTube. She also have an Instagram, so I'll leave her angles here and also in the description down below. Guys, her work is amazing. I love how she does makeup, and even when she does her client, it is so bomb. So if you live in Jamaica, you want to show some support, follow her on Instagram. You see all her work there. But first of all, you should click the link down below to watch her video on how she create like a simple, holiday glam. This is my holiday glam. It did a try go west, like it was trying to go dramatic, and I was like, tone it down a bit. But I really like it. Nice red lips, green eyes, keep on watching, guys.
Hey guys, so let's get into the video. I'm priming first using the Fenty primer, and I'm just going to work this into my skin. I really love this because it feels like it's moisturizing my skin, but yet it's priming, so it's a really good primer, sorry. So the foundation that I'm going in with is the Maybelline Superstay, and I really want to try some other new foundation, more likely on the higher end. So I was thinking about NARS or Too Faced. Try one of those. What is your current foundation that you're using? You cannot blend if your mouth is not set like this, of course. So we're gonna conceal, and I'm using the LA Pro concealer, toffee and cool tan, and I'm applying toffee, and then I'm going to apply cool tan, blend it out with my Real Technique sponge. So when using the Real Technique brush, I like to pat it in, because I realize when I do that I get more of a full coverage under my eyes and all of that. And so when using the sponge, just kind of take away some of the product. So I really like doing this. I miss using the sponge, to be honest. I really do, and I think I may just start using it again. But for now, I'm using the brush and I'm really liking it. Alright, so I'm going in with my foundation brush, because as you can see, you could see the harsh lines and my two eyes, which I'm going to blend out now. I use my foundation brush because I want to blend out those harsh edges of the concealer so it blends perfectly and looks flawlessly. I'm going in with my setting powder from Sacha Buttercup, and I like to blend out any lines that are creasing, and then I'll go in with the setting powder. So that's what I am doing right now. And I'm using the Laura Mercier to set the overall face, and it's the Laura Mercier in medium tan. Kind of matches my skin tone, So it just kind of help everything blend in and have like a flawless look. And I think I really caked my face today. I could tell that I caked my face, but hey, it's Christmas. So I am baking, and I did this because I'm going to do my eyeshadow, and I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to use these two green colors. I really like them. I'm going for like a greenish color look. And this is it's my Riri blending brush from her collection, and I'm just going in and blending and blending. I'm going to change brushes because this is kind of concentrating on like one area, and I think using a fluffier brush will just give me an overall look, which I'm using the M353 if I'm not mistaken, by Morphe. So this is the shimmer that I'm going to use by ColourPop. I really like it. I think it's very pretty. Look at it. Ooh. And I'm gonna spray my brush and then dip it in the product and apply it so it can like really stick and really pop. So when I apply the glitter, I like to go in and just blend out those harsh lines using the same color from the BH Cosmetic. I'm using this brush because it's more like a detail brush in my opinion. Detail blending brush. So that's what I'm doing. And I went ahead and applied my liner. Okay. So I did use this one. It's my favorite. So we're gonna brush away all that powder, and you really want to brush it away really good. Make sure that all those powders are off your face and you have like a smooth canvas. Okay, so we're going to bronze, and I'm using the Color Girl bronzer in ebony, and I really like this brush from Morphe. It just let the work be less easier, you know, because it's kind of have like a not a tapered shape but like a slant shape to where it just goes right into the, you know, yeah. So here I'm just going into my earline so that everything, I did use a lot of bronzer. I always tend to overuse this, not sure why, but it's too much, right girl? Wait a minute. Too much. Rewind. Oh good. Anyway, it is done already. So we're going to go under my eyes. Let's just smoke it out a bit. And after using this color, I was like, I should probably use like a liner. So I did use this color from ColourPop, and it's a really nice color. So I line my lower lash line, and then I use the same color from the BH Cosmetic to just smoke it out a bit. I actually love green on my eyes. I think it just makes my eye look really pretty. Alright, so this is by ColourPop in Keke. It's the Luxury Dust, and it's an highlighter. To be honest, on my skin tone, it's kinda too ashy when I use it, so I try to find other ways of using it. So I did apply a mascara and lashes. That's the mascara I use. So now I'm going to set my face using this. It's the first time using it, and when I tell you, when you spray that, it just hits your face. Alright, so this liner is BFF by ColourPop. It's a lot of ColourPop stuff. I like ColourPop. So I'm gonna line my lips, and then I'm going in with the lipstick, the red lipstick by Arriba ColourPop. and I think this is just a beautiful red. And I've noticed that this formula that they use to create the arriba it's not too drying, and it doesn't flake. It's like it wants to feel a little moisturizing, but yet it's matte, and I really like that about it. So yeah, I wish all their formula was like this one, but it's not. Ooh, after doing all that, we're going to highlight with this chrome highlighter. And I tell you guys, the chrome highlighter by Maybelline, they're really nice. I've been sleeping on it. I've never thought it would be this good. It is really nice. Just looks so natural on my skin and giving me that natural glow, and I really like that, which I wish most highlighters were like this. It's just so not glittery, just really nice. You should get yourself one, and it's affordable. Okay.
Okay guys, so I hope you enjoy this makeup look, and remember to check out Jhen Artistry here on YouTube. I probably be saying it wrong, but her name will appear on the screen. And just show her some love, tell her I sent you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. And all my supporters, thank you so much for coming back. You know I love the continuous support. My love. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye.